Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has officially stopped signing iOS 18.4.1 just 1 week after the rollout of iOS 18.5. This means users who have already updated to iOS 18.5 can no longer downgrade to the previous version. For those unfamiliar, Apple uses a server-side process called signing to verify iOS installations. If a version is no longer being signed, devices can install or revert to it, ensuring users stay on the most secure and up-to-date software. This is standard practice for Apple, typically occurring within a week of a new iOS release. The goal is to keep devices protected from known exploits and encourage adoption of the latest features and fixes. iOS 18.5 brought several changes, including new wallpapers, an updated screen time password reset option for parents, and support for carrier-powered satellite services on iPhone 13 models. It's also passed over 30 security vulnerabilities. It's worth pointing out that Apple has also stopped signing iPadOS 17.7.6. This comes after today's release of iPadOS 17.7.8, which replaces the short-lived iOS 17.7.7 update that reportedly caused issues for some users.